All right. What are we learning today, Isaac?
X.
X? Wait a minute, but I missed a few. V.
What's V?
V.
Volcano.
V, volcano. So if you're going to draw a V, you're going to have to use one big line slanting down, looks like, and then one big line slanting up.
There we go.
Could you erase it? Oh, you're telling me? Good job. Thank you. Could you erase with this and then draw? Nice work. Whoa!
I made a seat up there.
That's a wonderful V. When you make the V sound, you really vibrate. Do you vibrate? Do your lips vibrate?
Vibrate?
Yeah, do they vibrate when you make a V sound? Oh, thank you for the hug. Oh, thank you for the hug. Could we make the next letter now? I think I have lots of love energy and I can make the next letter now. Oh my, so many lines. How many lines, Isaac?
1, 2, 3, 4.
You need 4 different lines to make a W? It looks like you have to make very skinny V's to make a W. So I've got to come down pretty quickly. All right, pretty quickly. All the way to the top. All the way down. All the way back up. Oh, my goodness sakes. That was a lot of work. Work.
Hug.
Oh, I thought of another word that had W. That's wonderful.
Do you like my shirt, Mr. Leopard?
I do like your shirt. You're wearing a green shirt. Wearing a green shirt.
And I have a zipper on my shirt.
Oh, that looks like I should hop in there and get a little nice snuggle. Yeah. Oh, now I'm all warm. I'm warm. Warm.
There you go.
Oh, I'm all warm in your wonderful shirt.
And I can hug you every time. Now I can hug you every time. Now you're super warm.
I'm going to stay super warm because you're always hugging me. You're the hug guy today, I think. Did you know the next letter? I heard that you could make this next letter stand for a kiss.
Okay,
What is it? What is it? Do you know?
X.
X. So X could stand for kiss. Ooh, all the way down. Across, slanting from one side and slanting from the other side. And that makes an
X.
or a kiss. Okay, what's our next letter?
Y.
Y. Yes. Yes. It's a Y.
Yeah.
Yippee yay! Yippee 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 yip 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 yippee
This-
yay!
This looks like a diamond.
A diamond. Ooh, let me see. Whoa. Are you going to draw with the diamond?
But watch this.
Okay, I'm watching very closely. Oh, that is a Y.
I made it all by myself.
You made it all by yourself. Yourself.
What about this?
Make it stronger.
Make it white.
Oh, beautiful. Yes.
There, I made a Y.
Oh, and you made it all by yourself.
But he's wrapped up. He's hurt. He fell down.
Oh no, he needed a bandage?
Uh-huh. A lot of bandage.
A lot of bandage? How did he get hurt?
He fell into the water place and the alligators got him, blazed him.
Ouch! Why did he go to the alligator place?
No. He didn't know the cap was open on it. So he fell down. He didn't know.
So he must have said, yikes! Yikes!
Yeah, I said that too.
Yeah.
No,
Now he's probably saying, yay! Because he got his bandage on. Yay!